Good day, campers. Today's project is we're going to change the city water connector in our wet bay. First thing we'll need to do is shut off the water, bleed off water pressure, and disconnect the hose. As you can see, this city water connector is plastic. It's about 5 years old. Because we're full-time and swapping the hose every time we move, the plastic threads have gotten a little bit worn and loose. The fitting I'm going to use to replace it has metal threads. Now we'll go inside behind the wet bay and disconnect everything back there. This is the back side of the wet bay in my RV. This connector right here is the city water connector. I placed a towel here to catch any excess water. I happen to own a tool that's the right size for these FIP connectors, which allows me to easily loosen then it's not very tight, so I can finish it by hand. My wet bay is built by Nautilus, and their city water connector is held in with a little clip. The only way to get that out was I had to break the clip. My new city water connector has a flange and 3 screw holes and will mount with 3 screws. So this is now loose and pushed out. We'll go to the other side and install the new city water connector. So I've drilled my first hole and put in the first screw. That keeps the fitting located in the correct place. I will now drill the other 2 holes and install the last 2 screws. We'll go back behind the wet bay and connect everything back up. Everything inside is connected back up. Everything outside is connected back up. The water's turned on. We have no water leaks. That makes this a completed project. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.